In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide chats in Microsoft Teams. As more people use Teams for professional and educational communication, chat lists can get cluttered very quickly. Hiding conversations that aren't immediately relevant is a simple yet effective way to keep your workspace organized and make it easier to focus on what's most important. This feature is especially useful if you're part of multiple projects, teams, or groups where conversations constantly pile up. First, you need to sign in to your Microsoft Teams account using the correct credentials. If you belong to more than one organization, make sure you select the account you're actively working with. Once signed in, you'll land on the main Teams hub, where you can see recent activity, your chat list, Teams, calendar, and other tabs neatly organized on the left-hand side of your screen. Next, focus on the chat section. Click on the chat icon to open a full list of all your ongoing conversations. Scroll through and locate the chat you want to hide. Once you find it, hover your cursor over the chat. You'll see 3 dots appear. This is the More Options menu. Clicking these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several actions you can take, such as pinning, muting, or hiding the chat. The option you want here is Hide. Clicking Hide will immediately remove the conversation from your main chat list. It's important to understand that hiding a chat does not delete it, and you are not removed from the conversation. It simply makes your chat interface cleaner and easier to navigate, allowing you to focus on the chats that matter most at the moment. When you want to access a hidden chat, you don't need to worry about losing it. Simply use the search bar at the top of Teams, type the name of the person or topic, and click on the conversation when it appears. This will bring the chat back into your main list so you can continue where you left off. Overall, hiding chats in Microsoft Teams is a quick, effective way to manage your communication, reduce clutter, and improve your overall workflow. By following these simple steps, you can maintain a neat and organized chat environment, streamline your digital communications, and make it easier to stay focused on what truly matters. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helps you declutter your Microsoft Teams workspace, stay productive, and maintain smoother, more organized communication. Happy teaming.